Have you ever wondered what the future of artificial intelligence looks like and how Google is playing a role in shaping it? The landscape of artificial intelligence is expanding at a staggering pace, with new ideas and technologies emerging every day. It's akin to a grand canvas, constantly being painted and repainted with strokes of innovation. At the heart of this rapid evolution is Google, a major player shaping the contours of this vast and vibrant field. From its humble beginnings, Google has always been at the forefront of technological advancements. It's no surprise that they have made significant strides in the realm of artificial intelligence. They have not only embraced AI, but have also become a catalyst, propelling it towards a future that was once only part of science fiction. In the midst of this technological revolution, one of the most significant contributions from Google is the introduction of Gemini. This isn't just another piece in the puzzle, it's a game changer. Gemini, to put it simply, is a monumental leap in the world of artificial intelligence. But what makes Gemini so special? Picture a world where AI can learn, adapt, and evolve independently without any human intervention. A world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool but a partner in progress. That's the world Gemini is striving to build. Gemini isn't just about pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. It's about redefining those boundaries, breaking them down, and building new ones. It's about creating an AI that's not just smart, but wise. An AI that doesn't just process data, but understands it. An AI that doesn't just mimic human intelligence, but enhances it. This is the vision that Google has for the future of AI, and it's a vision that's coming to life with Gemini. The inception of Gemini marked a pivotal moment in Google's AI journey. It's not just a step towards the future, it's a giant leap into a new era of artificial intelligence. The future of AI is here, and it's being shaped by Google and Gemini. So what exactly is Gemini? And how did it come into existence? Gemini, at its core, is Google's ambitious project born out of a need to revolutionize artificial intelligence. Its inception can be traced back to a time when AI was still in its relative infancy, grappling with complex problems and limited by the technology of the day. It was in this fertile ground of innovation and challenge that the seed of Gemini was planted. The original purpose of Gemini was clear and straightforward: to push the boundaries of AI capabilities. It was designed to be an advanced engine that could process large amounts of data at incredible speeds. This was a game changer for AI, as it enabled machine learning algorithms to learn and adapt faster than ever before. It was like handing a scholar an encyclopedia, allowing them to absorb and synthesize information at an unprecedented rate. But Gemini was not just about speed, it was also about complexity. It was designed to handle intricate calculations and data models, the kind that would make an ordinary computer shudder. It was about providing a platform for AI that could handle the rigors of real-world applications, from deciphering human language to predicting global weather patterns. Since its inception, Gemini has been put to work in numerous ways. It has been the driving force behind many of Google's AI endeavors, powering search algorithms, voice recognition systems, and even self-driving cars. It has been instrumental in advancing machine learning, deep learning, and other areas of AI. It has helped Google and the wider world of AI to overcome many of the challenges that were once thought insurmountable. Gemini's impact on AI technology has been profound. It has not only accelerated the pace of AI development, but also broadened its scope. It has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, redefining our understanding of AI's capabilities. It's safe to say that without Gemini, the world of AI would look much different than it does today. Gemini has undoubtedly made a significant impact. But Google didn't stop there. As technology advances, so does the need for more sophisticated AI systems. Enter Gemini Ultra. The transition from Gemini to Gemini Ultra has been nothing short of extraordinary, a leap forward that has changed the game in artificial intelligence. Gemini was a remarkable system in its own right, a prodigy of its era, but Gemini Ultra? It's a different breed altogether. It's like comparing a horse-drawn carriage to a race car. Both have their merits, but only one can break the sound barrier. The improvements made in the transition to Gemini Ultra are not just incremental, they are monumental. Gemini Ultra boasts a processing power that far surpasses its predecessor, making it capable of handling more complex tasks and making decisions with greater accuracy. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket, ready to take on tasks with a speed and efficiency that was once unthinkable. But it's not just about power. The real magic of Gemini Ultra lies in its ability to learn and adapt. With its advanced machine learning capabilities, Gemini Ultra can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make predictions with a level of precision that leaves Gemini in its wake. It's an AI system that learns from its experiences, growing smarter and more efficient with each task it undertakes. And let's not forget about its ability to communicate. Gemini Ultra has been designed with a sophisticated natural language processing system, enabling it to understand and respond to human language in a way that feels natural and intuitive. It's like having a conversation with a friend, only this friend has the collective knowledge of the entire internet at its fingertips. So you see, Gemini Ultra is not just an upgrade. It's not just a new version of an old system, it's a revolution. It's a quantum leap forward in the world of AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and paving the way for a future where AI is not just a tool but a partner. Gemini Ultra is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the world of AI. But how exactly is Gemini Ultra going to change the world of AI forever? Let's delve into that. Gemini Ultra, with its advanced capabilities, is set to revolutionize various sectors, and its impact will be far-reaching. In technology, it's anticipated to accelerate the development of more sophisticated applications. With its enhanced learning algorithms, Gemini Ultra could enable software to self-improve, learn from mistakes, and adapt to new situations. Think of applications that evolve with usage, becoming more intuitive and user-friendly over time. In the realm of healthcare, Gemini Ultra could truly be a game changer. Imagine AI systems that can analyze complex medical data with unprecedented accuracy, predicting diseases even before symptoms surface. This could mean early intervention and better health outcomes for countless individuals. Additionally, it could usher in a new era of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup and health profile. The entertainment industry is another area where Gemini Ultra's impact is expected to be profound. The AI could potentially transform the way we interact with digital content. For instance, it could lead to the creation of intelligent virtual reality experiences that adapt to the user's preferences in real time. Or consider the potential for AI-driven content creation, where movies and music are generated based on audience tastes and trends. And it's not just these sectors. Every industry that relies on data, from finance to logistics, from retail to education, can benefit from the superior data processing and predictive capabilities of Gemini Ultra. But it's not just about what Gemini Ultra can do today. It's about the potential it holds for the future. With each new application, with each new sector it revolutionizes, Gemini Ultra continues to redefine the boundaries of what's possible in AI. With Gemini Ultra, the future of AI looks more promising than ever. This is not just a statement of fact, but a proclamation of the exciting, transformative times we are stepping into. As we venture forth, we can expect to see AI becoming an even more integral part of our lives, shaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. So, we've taken a journey from the inception of Gemini to the revolution of Gemini Ultra. We've seen how Google has consistently been at the forefront of AI innovation, pushing boundaries and reshaping our understanding of what's possible. From the birth of Gemini, a milestone in itself, we've watched this technology evolve, grow, and mature into what's now known as Gemini Ultra. This isn't just a new product or an upgrade, it's a transformative shift that promises to change the world of AI forever. Imagine a world where AI isn't just a tool, but an integral part of our everyday lives. That's the power and potential of Gemini Ultra. As we look towards the future, remember, this is just the beginning. The world of AI is vast and there's so much more to explore. Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.